So guys, for the first time we are going to solve a different kind of problem, and we are going to find out which number is larger here. So one number is 1001 raised to the power 999, and another number is 1000 raised to the power 1000. So guys, now look at their exponent. They are not equal, right? So let's try to make their exponent equal for better comparison. As 1000 is a good figure, so we are going to transform 1001 raised to the power 999 to 1001 raised to the power 1000. Then we also need to divide it by 1001 if we increase the exponent by 1, right? So 1001 raised to the power 1000 over 1000 raised to the power 1000 into 1 over 1001, right? So now let's consider the number 1001 raised to the power 1000 and 1000 raised to the power 1000. Now notice, if we divide 1001 raised to the power 1000 by 1000 raised to the power 1000, the remainder should be greater than 1, right? So let's divide it. So 1001 raised to the power 1000 over 1000 raised to the power 1000 equal to, as their exponent is same, so we can write 1001 over 1000 whole raised to the power 1000, right? Next, we can write 1001 as 1000 plus 1 over 1000 whole raised to the power 1000, right? So that is 1 plus 1 over 1000 whole raised to the power 1000, right? Alright, now we can clearly understand that we can expand this using binomial theorem, right? So guys, the binomial theorem is a plus b whole raised to the power n equal to summation r equal to 0 to n ncr, here c is combination, and there is a formula to calculate it, that is n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. And what is n factorial? N factorial is you have to multiply all the integers starting from 1 to till that number, that is n. So that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into so on into n, right? A raised to the power n minus r into b raised to the power r. And if you see our target expression, that is 1 plus 1 over 1000 raised to the power 1000. So we need to make a equal to 1 and b equal to 1 over 1000, right? So let's put the value of them. So a plus b raised to the power n becomes 1 plus 1 over 1000 whole raised to the power 1000 equal to summation r equal to 0 to 1000 cr 1 raised to the power n minus r into 1 over 1000 raised to the power r, right? So that is summation of r equal to 0 to 1000 cr into 1 over 1000 raised to the power r, right? Now let's expand it. So let's put the value of r equal to 0 to till 1000. So we'll get 1000 c0 into 1 over 1000 whole raised to the power 0 plus 1000 c1 into 1 over 1000 whole raised to the power 1 plus 1000 c2 into 1 over 1000 whole raised to the power 2, right? Plus 1000 c3 into 1 over 1000 whole raised to the power 3 plus so on, right? So next line is 1000 c0, that is simply 1, and 1 over 1000 whole raised to the power 0, that is also 1. So 1 into 1 plus 1000 c1, that is 1000 into 1 over 1000, right? Plus 1000 c2, we can split it as 1000 factorial over 2 factorial into 1000 minus 2 factorial, right? That is 1000 factorial over 2 factorial into 998 factorial, right? You can write 1000 factorial, that is 1000 into 999 into 998 factorial, right? Over 2 into 998 factorial. So we can cancel 998 factorial from both denominator and numerator, right? Basically, you can write n factorial as n into n minus 1 factorial, or n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, so on, right? So left is 1000 into 999 over 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1000 is square, right? Plus 1000 c3. So we can split it as 1000 into 999 into 998 into 997 factorial, right? Over 6 factorial into 997 factorial, right? So we can cancel 997 factorial both denominator and numerator. So left is 1000 into 999 into 998 over 6 factorial is 24 into 1000 whole cube, right? So on. We don't need to do experiment anymore because you see the first term, that is 1 into 1, that is 1, plus second term, that is 1000 into 1 over 1000, that is also simply 1, plus, and all the terms that is actually less than 1. With the increasing value of terms, the denominator will be much more higher than the numerator, right? So they will tends to 0. So we can write that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So we can write the value of this expression is less than 3, right? 1001 over 1000 whole raised to the power 1000, that is less than 3, right? So guys, we need to multiply both sides by 1 over 1001 because initially we had 1001 raised to the power 999, right? But we did this by using 1000 exponent, right? 1001 over 1000 whole raised to the power 1000 into 1 over 1001 less than 3 into 1 over 1001. So next line is 1001 raised to the power 999 over 1000 raised to the power 1000 less than 3 into 1 over 1001, and it is simply less than 1, right? So we can write 1001 raised to the power 999 less than 1000 raised to the power 1000. So 1000 raised to the power 1000, that is greater than 1001 raised to the power 999. So the second number, that is 1000 raised to the power 1000, is larger here.